the light. If you are not a designated passenger on the Ark of Heaven, please clear the area. All chosen passengers must proceed to security checkpoint 5. A new Eden awaits you on Kepler 22. If you do not have a pass, you will not be granted entry. Repeat, if you do not have a pass, you will not be granted entry. Blocking entryways or otherwise impeding passenger boarding is strictly prohibited. Violators will be executed on sight. Praise be to Soul. Soul is the light. If you are not a designated passenger on the Ark of Heaven, please clear the area. All chosen passengers must proceed to security checkpoint 5. On Kepler 22. If you do not have a pass, you will not be granted.
I don't know about this, Caleb.
It's Marcus from now on. Remember, Marcus in your suit.
That's what I'm talking about. I don't know if I can do it.
Yes, you can.
How? How do you know?
Because I can't do it without you.
We're traitors.
Not traitors, as long as we have each other's back. You and me. That's all that matters. You and me.
You and me.